When I started my 40 under 40 journey, it wasn't about ticking off really major bucket list items or doing big adventurous things. It was about recentering my attention towards things that actually needed my attention. One of the most important goals that I completed this year was spending an entire day with my mom. Earlier this year, she lost her best friend, and after a few months, my best friend lost her father. These things have a way to put things into perspective again. So we went to Delhi for a visa appointment. That's another completely crazy story. It was a visa appointment, something so very ordinary, but it gave us something really precious. And that was 2 days together for the first time in our life, because we generally tend to travel with family and all of that. But this was the first time that I traveled with my mom all alone. It was one of the bestest experience of my life.
जैसे तुम देश बदलते वैसे तो बेस बनाती है क्या व्यापार बन जाती है
ये देखो
जो होटल दिखा रही तो अपने को दिखा मेरे को रोमिता क्यों दिखा रही है
रोमिता बैठी है उधर अच्छा है ना
क्यूट है ना ये? कैसा लगा आपको ये?
अच्छा है ना
ये नहीं लेके जा सकते हैं घर।
ये थोड़ी लेके जाएगी
मज़ा है आपको आज? कौन सा सबसे फेवरेट लगा आज? क्या सबसे अच्छा लगा? ये होटल? Now she's again looking for a place to get a photo because that's her agenda always. कल है हमारा वीज़ा अपॉइंटमेंट जिसके लिए हम दिल्ली आए हैं, तो लेट्स होप कि कल वीज़ा अपॉइंटमेंट मिल जाए, कल वीज़ा मिल जाए.
It was all about spending quality time together without any distraction, without any rush. And I just had a lovely time. And this goal just reminded me that being present is a choice. And the people whom we love, they deserve our presence right now rather than later. Moving on from a little heavier conversation, this year was about, centering myself again. And when I was making this list, I really put a lot of thought around what will actually, make me feel good, and that will basically bring the important things back into focus. So one of this was to see a beautiful sunset in Mumbai. I chose this because I realized I barely look up. We all tend to spend a lot of time in front of a screen. And I realized that I've been doing that a lot. And this opportunity of seeing a beautiful sunset came through when I was celebrating my best friend's birthday, where we had booked a room at the Four Seasons in Mumbai. And we saw this stunning sunset from their restaurant called as Air. If you're in Bombay, I would highly recommend you guys to go and watch it. But it was beautiful. It was a sundown time. I just remember, sitting there with a glass of wine, celebrating birthday of a person that I absolutely hold very close to my heart. And I got to see the sunset without any distraction. And it was all about celebrating the people that I loved. And another interesting goal that I had put up very intentionally was I wanted to go out in a park and take a walk. I know it sounds so silly and it sounds so small. I don't remember the last time I was in Mumbai and I actually went out in a park just to take a walk. I think because we stay in Bombay and green spaces are so rare to come by. So I got up, I went with my mom to one of the parks around my house, and it was not about fitness. While it was a part of my fitness challenge, the thought of going to a park was just about having the privilege to be able to move, having the privilege to go and choose a park that I want to go and walk in, and just enjoy moving and taking those steps that I think we all kind of take for granted again. These goals seems really simple, right? But they've changed how I kind of go through my days. 40 under 40 is teaching me that quality life is built quietly through presence, care, and intentions. That's it for today. More goals to come. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. As usual, let's do this together.